this one is testing the ghost video camcorder, its functionality. Have to set up first. The camera can be either it'll have left hand side and also can be on the right hand side, but it's for me, I like the screen on the left hand side and the camera is on the right hand side. Okay, now put inside here to make it look neat. Yes. Okay, just secure it. Okay, then now to put the wires, the red one. Okay, first the video in, and then the audio in, and the video out. Okay. This one is the audio capture. It's a device that will record any sound, including infrared sound that the human ears can't hear. And this device capability can record up to 100 meters square. Okay, and then now connect. Okay, the audio is red. Oh, this is the video, yellow. The audio is red, and the output to the screen is, we tick the yellow, the main channel. And now for the power supply, this is the power supply for the DVR recorder. Here, one jack to the DVR recorder, another jack to the screen, another one jack to the camera, and another jack to the audio. So it's completed. And now make sure before connecting the power supply to the battery must be off, switch off. Yes, both is off, and this one is always positive. A live wire fixed to the positive terminal and negative terminal. Same is this one. Okay, now everything is already set up. So going to test, switch on. Okay, ready. Everything is ready. Okay, basically both ghost video camcorders, this one and that side, is concluded. Both are working fine, that can be used to capture paranormal activities. So the final things that need to be done here is the spiritual ceremony or ritual to clean, spiritual cleansing both camcorders, to remove any negative energy that may attach to this component, to all sets, so that it can be utilized positively. So hopefully this can bring something for the public to see that our eyes cannot see. Okay, thank you.